Imagine this. You hold the keys to a kingdom, but the moment you give them away, your power vanishes. The courtiers who once bowed now turn their backs. This is the paradox of dependence. The more others rely on you, the more control you wield, yet the moment you relinquish it, you become expendable. Why do the indispensable so often become the forgotten? What dark alchemy turns loyalty into betrayal when leverage is lost? The answer lies in a law as old as human ambition itself. The hunger for independence is a mirage. What we truly crave is controlled dependence. Nietzsche saw this in The Will to Power. Dominance is not brute force, but the subtle art of making others need you. Societies, relationships, even revolutions, all are built on hierarchies of reliance. The court jester survives because he amuses. The advisor thrives because he knows secrets. But strip away their utility, and they vanish like smoke. Why do we cling to those who make us feel capable, even as they tighten their grip? Because dependence is the shadow of every exchange, the unspoken currency of influence. The moment you forget this, you become a pawn in someone else's game. Silently, inexorably, this law reshapes reality. The parent who refuses to teach their child self-reliance breeds helplessness under the guise of love. The CEO who hoards knowledge ensures no rival can rise. Even kindness can be weaponized. When help becomes habit, gratitude curdles into entitlement. Cognitive dissonance masks the truth. The more you do for others, the more they resent needing you. Society calls this generosity, but power knows it as a slow surrender. Who controls the strings when you've forgotten how to move alone? The escape lies not in rejecting dependence, but in mastering its paradox. Become the source, never the servant. Teach just enough to inspire awe, but never enough to replace you. The Medici bankers financed empires but kept the ledgers coded. Mentors like Socrates asked questions instead of giving answers. Let them need your mind, your approval, your connections, but never let them possess the full recipe. True power thrives in the space between their hunger and your restraint. Here is the crushing, liberating truth. Dependence is the only real currency. Every bond, love, loyalty, even hatred, is a ledger of mutual need. To wield power is not to break chains, but to forge them so exquisitely that others mistake them for crowns. Nietzsche's abyss gazes back when you realize you're either the hand that feeds or the mouth that begs. Now, whose leash have you been holding without knowing it? Whose leash holds you?